YouTube TV uses the Who's Watching prompt to personalize viewing experiences by tailoring content to specific user profiles. This prompt appears when you have multiple profiles set up on your account, ensuring that each user gets personalized recommendations, watch histories, and parental controls. While it's designed to enhance user experience, it can be inconvenient, especially for single-user households. As of November 2025, YouTube TV doesn't offer an official disable option for this prompt because it's integral to their personalization algorithms and data collection methods. This data helps track engagement and retention, aligning with industry standards for streaming services. Practical methods to bypass the prompt. Although there is no official way to disable the prompt, here are two practical methods. Method 1. Single profile setup. The simplest solution is to delete all but one profile on your YouTube TV account. Go to YouTube TV settings and remove the extra profiles. This eliminates the prompt as the system defaults to the remaining profile. Method 2. Guest mode. Alternatively, select Guest when the prompt appears. This provides a basic, non-personalized viewing experience without saving data.